Hello. So, I was doing Tonex captures and there was a problem. I couldn't do two mic captures because my interface doesn't have a phase switch. So, what I'm gonna do now, I'll make a cable that shifts the phase. And this way, I'm getting a good capture and I won't have phase issues when I do them. And this is a really simple thing to do. I'll just take a cable like this and I make my cables myself, so you can see it's a pretty thin one. So I'll just open the other end, and what I want to do is I'm gonna color code this actually. So that way I'll know that this is the one that flips the polarity. So I'll just put a little bit of blue tape on there under that plastic ring. And if you want, you can do this for a short cable and then extend a longer one and have it phase shift in the end. And the tape is in place. There we go, that's done. And I'm gonna actually modify the end that's going into my audio interface. And there we go, that's done. I'll show you my notes. So those XLR jacks are numbered. You can see small numbers in there. And number 1, ground, 2, hot, 3, cold. And then on the other end, we just swap the leads of 2 and 3. And that's what I'm gonna do now with that end. So yeah, really simple. Just open it up. Here we go. So I'm gonna switch the red one to that one. So I'm just gonna flip them. And for this job, of course, I'll hook it up somewhere. And I'll need a soldering iron and some solder. And that's basically it. So here we go. Take the red one off. And the other one off. And then put it where the red one was. Like that. And then let's put the red one where that white one was. And as we can see, I really have to get one of those proper helping hands. Been on my list for quite a while. But yeah, then I'll solder that one in there. There we go. Done. You can see that's how it should look like. And now I'll just put it back together. Apparently off screen, but and after this, I'm ready to take captures of my amplifier and speaker cabinet with 2 mics on Tonex. And that will be the next video I'm gonna do. Alright, there we go. And you can use this cable for, you know, other stuff as well, not just Tonex. But yeah, alright. Have fun. Bye.